Now see the table as it is given. We are producing two goods in economy. One is we have selected cloth, another one is wheat, and different combinations are given here. Ki if we are producing 100 wheats, means cloth we are not at all producing. If we are producing wheat 90, cloth we are producing 1. Okay, so this schedule is given, and the same schedule we have drawn here, as you people have drawn this in your maths graphical presentation. The same presentation is there. Ki 100, see the figure. If the production of wheat is 100, here we are not producing, cloth is 0. If the production of wheat is 90, the production of cloth is 1. If the production of cloth is coming down, wheat is coming down 70, the production of cloth is 2. If the product, this is what wheats are production in lakh tons and clothes in bales. Okay, if the production is coming down to production of wheat is coming down to 40, then clothes we are increasing up to 3. And if we are at all not producing wheat, only we are producing clothes, so it is coming to 4. So see that when we are decreasing the production of one product, means production of wheat from 100 to 90, 90 to 70, 70 to 40, 40 to 0, है ना. It means what, कि the production, when the one we are decreasing, other one is increasing in the same way, 1 to 2 to 3 to 4. And this curve from A, B, C, D, E, this curve which is coming is, this is known as production possibility curve. And this production possibility curve, the interior part of this angle, shaded portion, whatever point is coming out, it means that suppose we are taking the point in between 70 to 1. So any point if you take in this shaded portion, that will come the attainable consumption of output, means we can produce that point, that is the production of that point is attainable for the economy. If the point is coming out of the boundaries, the F point they have given out of the boundary, है ना, so that is unattainable combination of output, means that point of production we cannot produce in the economy. So we have discussed what is production possibility curve. Production possibility curve is a combination of two goods, है ना, graphical presentation of combination of two goods that can be produced with given resources and technology. Attainable and unattainable. Attainable is the production which is coming in the production possibility curve, within the boundary of the production possibility curve, that is attainable combination of output. And the point which is coming out of the boundary of this production possibility curve, that is unattainable combination of output. Okay, good morning dear. Yesterday we have started production possibility curve. What is production possibility curve? Production possibility curve means it is the possible combination of two goods that can be produced with given resources and technology. Okay, we are thinking that two goods are produced in an economy at good X and good Y. So what are the different combinations of good that can be produced is shown in PPF, production possibility curve. Now today's topic is shifting or rotation of production possibility curve. Shifting means movement of production possibility curve towards upward or downward. Okay, so here if there is those two conditions, change in the resources or change in the technology. When can a production possibility curve can move? It can move only in two conditions, when the resources are changed or when the technology is changed. So first we will discuss under topic when the resources are changed in an economy. Suppose कि resources are increased, means now we have more resources to produce. So means same as we have given the land example, now we have more land. First land we are already having, one more piece we are having. So now what production will be there of different goods? On that land we can, according to the ratio, we can increase the production of good X and good Y also. See the figure here. First curve is showing here on A and B, means up to A good Y is we are producing, and up to B we are producing good B. Now we have more resources, now we can produce more good Y. So we are shifting our production from A to A1, and B for good X we are shifting from B to B1, means we are moving from A to A1 and B to B1 when resources are increasing. So you can see the another arrow in green line, which shows that when resources are increased, means when resources are increased, the production possibility curves moves in upward direction, or you can say in right hand side. Okay, same way when the resources are decreased, you can see when resources are decreased, means now we have less resources. We will the production of X we are doing, now the resources are reduced. So what we will do, PPC curve will shift it towards left hand side, from A to A1 inside the curve, B to B1 also inside the curve, means the curve is now becoming shorter. So this, the coming down of resources from A to A1 or B to B1, this portion, this is known as reduction of resources and shifting of curve. Okay, in left hand side, this is shortage, means reduction in resources, and our curve is shifting from left hand side. Okay, so when our curve will move right hand side when we have more resources, when our curve will move left hand side when we have the less resources or resources are reduced. Now change in technology. अब suppose कि there is change in technology of production of good one. So how the production possible, what will be its effect there on the production possibility curve? If only there is change in the technology of production of good X, means we can now produce more good X. So production of Y will remain same, but the production of good will increase from B to B1, as it is shown here in the figure, means only the production of B to B1 is only shifting from right hand side. Okay, so here our production possibility curve will not rotate, but only here good X will shift from A to A1. Same way, if there is efficient technology of production of good Y, so here B curve will not move, only the production curve of good Y will shift from A to A1. Okay, and PPC will not rotate, it will move in this way only. And again in the third condition, suppose that if we have a efficient technology for the both production of good X and production of good Y, in this case only our production possibility curve will move from right hand side, means we are having more production of good Y and we are having more production of good X. So in this case, means if the technology in both the goods X and Y is changing and improving, so means we have the shifting of production possibility curve in the right hand side. Okay.